Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you the Huawei Mate 10 Lite. In this case it's an RNE-L23 OEM, LTE 5.9 inches edge to edge, 64GB/4GB dual SIM factory unlocked international version. And it's made in graphite black. The smartphone is nice. As you can see, it is not so expensive, but it has much power. The phone comes with a 5.9 inches touchscreen display with a resolution of 1080 pixels by 2160 pixels. The Huawei Mate 10 Lite is powered by 1.7 GHz octa-core high silicon Kirin 659 processor, and it comes with 4GB of RAM, random access memory. The phone packs 64GB of internal storage that can be expanded up to 256GB. As far as cameras are concerned, the Huawei Mate 10 Lite packs a 16 megapixel primary camera on the rear and a 13 megapixel front shooter for selfies. 13 megapixels. Okay. The Huawei Mate runs Android 7.0 and is powered by 3340 milliampere hours non-removable battery. The measurings are 156.2 to 75 to 7.5, and the weight is 164 grams. And it has a dual SIM, GSM and GSM, that accept nano SIM cards. Both of them are nano SIM cards. Connectivity options are Wi-Fi, GPS, Bluetooth, NFC, OSB, OTG, FM, 3G, and 4G. Sensors on the phone include compass, magnetometer, proxymeter sensor, accelerometer, ambient light sensor, and gyroscope. And it will work with, I think, all of the mobile networks. And it has an FM radio in it. It has a fingerprint sensor, and it has no USB-C, it's micro USB. And there is the Huawei Android smartphone. And this is a Nougat Android with Huawei EMUI 5.1. Nice and cheap smartphone, as you can see. And this is all in the box, and it looks really nice. There's a headphone jack port, and on the upper side there is nothing. On the back side there's a fingerprint sensor and the cameras, of course. On the bottom side is a power port, of course, and on the sides are volume up, volume down. And now let's start to set up the iPhone, the Huawei Mate 10 Lite. So that's enough to unbox, and you had to see what's inside. There it is. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me, give me positive feedback, and see you next time. Soon.